Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to connect OKX Wallet to ICE Network. It's easy to get this done. Open up your ICE app or the ICE Network application. Once the app has opened up, simply scroll down and click on the BNB Smart Chain address. So once you've selected the BNB Smart Chain address, where we have enter BNB Smart Chain address, MetaMask Trust Wallet, all you need to do is add an address from your OKX wallet. You can get this address when you minimize and open up your OKX wallet or the exchange, both of which work the same way. So once you've opened up your OKX, make sure you have an account on OKX. If you do not have an account on OKX, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 10,000 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, you're on the OKX platform. How can you connect your wallet to the ICE network? All you need to do is simply select the wallet icon or click on the wallet here. Once you've selected the wallet, you're taken to your Web3 wallet where you can easily create an account here. Once you've created an account with the wallet, once you've created a Web3 wallet, all you need to do is simply scroll down and copy your Ethereum address. As you can see here, once you click on the Ethereum address, you can find your Ethereum address. And once you've copied it, you'll find that your Ethereum address is the same as your BNB address. They're basically the same thing. So all you need to do now is just minimize and open up your ICE app, paste the address you had copied from the OKX wallet. Once you've pasted this address here, click on confirm address. And once you select confirm a BNB Smart Chain address, by doing this, you've successfully connected your OKX wallet to the ICE network. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.